Dale and Joey, you guys are working on an experiment. Tell me what it is you're working on.
We're working on a paper airplane.
Which kind works the best to get it in length? Which one works the best?
Okay, and Curtis, you're in this group too.
Yeah, I am.
So, how do you know which one is going to work the best?
We don't know. We haven't tried yet.
Okay,
we're going to start out in the hall.
So tell me, is it the one that flies the best or flies the furthest?
Yeah, flies the furthest.
Excellent. Do you have any predictions on what you think might happen?
I don't know.
Okay. So how many times are you going to fly each plane?
10 times.
Okay. Well, I'll be interested to hear how that comes out, and we'll look at your data. Thanks, guys. Okay, we're out in the hall now with Mrs. Welch and Curtis and Dale and Joey. So far, what's going on with your experiment?
Well, so far, we've been getting quite a bit of distance on most of our things.
Okay.
So far, Dale's had the most, getting 164 inches.
Okay, Dale, let's see your plane. Okay, and let's see your plane, Curtis.
Here's mine.
Okay, all right, let's see yours, Joey.
His almost looks identical to mine, but these two are actually very different.
Okay, all right. So far you said that Dale's plane has flown the furthest?
Yeah, and mine's second furthest.
Okay, how many?
150.
Okay, how many times have you tried?
This is my third time. These two have done it twice. After I do it, then he'll do it his third time and his third time, and then we'll start graphing.
Okay, excellent. So you're going to do 10 times each?
Probably, I don't know.
We're just seeing how much time.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, we can continue on tomorrow as well, because we're going to have to do the boat experiments tomorrow, too.
So
maybe we can do 10 times.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll do 10 times.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll be excited to see the results of your experiment, guys. All right. These gentlemen, we've got Curtis, Dale, and Joey. Tell us about your experiment and your results, guys.
Our question was what type of plane flies the farthest.
Okay. Were these real planes?
Yeah, they were paper airplanes that we had made.
Paper airplanes. Okay. Cool. So what'd you find?
That our mean, our average is about 72.4. This is all around the entire thing. It's about 72.4.
72.4.
And the 4 is repeated.
Yeah, it's a repeated decimal.
Okay, 72.4
Repeated.
feet?
Inches.
Okay.
This is in inches, by the way, sorry. We've kind of got that. Our range is 140. It's a pretty big range.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have our median at 83 and mode at 85.
Okay. If you repeated this experiment 100 more times, what do you think you would find?
It's
they'll be a bit similar and might be more spread out.
Why would that be?
Because maybe the planes probably might have been like cooped up in a folder for a long time, and the creases got weaker, and which would decrease how far it could fly.
Oh, okay. Interesting. All right. Whose plane went the farthest?
Dale's had the all-time furthest fly, which is 164
inches.
Yeah, inches. And but all around every single one of our trials, mine was actually the most because it won all of them except for
this one and that one.
Yeah, it won all of them except for 2. That's 4/6%, so that's quite a bit.
Okay. What type of a plane was it? What do you think made the difference in the farthest flight?
I think the Dale's might have been because of the weight was pretty counterbalanced by the front folds. In the back, I think it had like back tip, like folds on it, or something like that. So that kind of evened it out and made it a lot more streamlined. Mine was just front of the lot, all the way out to the middle, from the front to the middle, and then I had a little bit of back fold. And Joey's was pretty much the same like that, so like, I don't know.
Okay. All right. Audience, give these guys a hand for their hard work. And do you have questions that you would like to ask these guys?
What was your interesting fact, or did you find anything out of the ordinary?
Well, it was kind of weird how Dale's plane, it was the least amount of folds, and it ended up flying the furthest. I don't know how that would really work. Maybe the more folds kind of weighed it down, kept it from going far.
Okay, that is interesting.
Thank you.
All right.